Tomato sauce, we're using canned Jersey fresh tomatoes. They harvest once a year in New Jersey. They crush them. Why I like this is because there's already like really great sugar in a New Jersey tomato. I'm from New York, or from the Hudson Valley, so I kind of grew up getting to eat New Jersey style tomatoes. On all of my tomato sauces, whenever I'm making something for pizza, everything goes in raw. So I'm just gonna build out of the can because I find this is gonna be a little bit easier, especially to do it at home. Unfortunately, I only have a size 10 cans, so one can for me is like 4 to 5 pieces of garlic. I take my microplane and I just microplane straight into it. We'll box grate 1 whole red onion. That will all get mixed into it, and then this tomato sauce is pretty much ready to go. All my pizzas, I put sauce on top because I like the way that you can extract the garlic and onion flavor while it's in the oven. If you look at like a lot of great pizzerias, like they all use just raw, they use like the canned tomatoes. I would say like I've seen people make cooked tomatoes, but you have to also think that like when you're baking pizza in your oven, that the sauce is cooking in the oven on the pie. So to cook it and to concentrate all the flavors, you're going to be taking out like some of the natural sweetness or acidity that you might be getting from that tomato in particular. So I personally like a tomato that has the acidity and the sugars. You're looking for balance, and balance between sweet, salty, acidic, umami, whatever you might want to call it, like cheesy gooiness. So I think it's just finding the balance between all of it. So yeah, just grate it. Use the big side. For this guy, we'll just do 1. I think it really just depends. I was a big onion, so sometimes I'll do 2, and then I'm just gonna put it all into the can. I'm gonna mix it. Whatever salt you like. I personally like this French style salt called Baleen. Ooh. Maybe not my best idea for a day, but you live and you learn. So this is done, and I'm gonna leave it as is.